لندن میں رمضان المبارک ختم ہوتے ہی عید ملن پارٹیوں کا سلسلہ شروع ہو گیا ہے۔ اس سلسلے میں ھیورنگ مسجد رمفورڈ لندن عید ملن پارٹی کا اہتمام کیا گیا، جس کے مہمان خصوصی جیری اور سلیران میئر ھیورنگ کونسل لندن تھے۔ ایشین کمیونٹی کی بھرپور شرکت، جن میں بچے، بوڑھے اور خواتین شامل تھیں۔ عید ملن پارٹی میں کھانے، پینے، بچوں کے کھلونے، ملبوسات اور کڑک چائے کے سٹالز لگائے گئے۔ خواتین حضرات نے کھانے پینے کے سٹالز پر انجوائے کیا، بچوں نے جھولے لیے۔ اس موقع پر میئر ھیورنگ کونسل لندن سمیت دوسرے مقررین نے عید کی خوشیوں کا تہوار۔ اس کے پروگرامز میں کمیونٹی کو مل بیٹھنے کا موقع ملتا ہے اور آپس میں ایک دوسرے کو جاننے کا موقع میسر آتا ہے۔
السلام علیکم، میرا نام محمد رفیع ہے۔ I've been involved in this organization from 1990 onwards, as Brother Tariq Loan mentioned. And alhamdulillah, we have seen great amount of change from what we were and where we were to where we are today. It's from a very small community of few people and now into thousands. And we are hoping to grow even further, even more, inshallah, in coming days and years. And we are just hoping that it will be a smooth change for the community at large, inshallah.
Assalamu alaikum. Mera naam Tariq Loan hai. I'm chairman of the ھیورنگ Islamic Cultural Center. We are gathered here today to celebrate the Eid. And I'm so pleased to see so many people from various communities coming here to celebrate the Eid. It's strange and it's pleasing to see how the community has grown. It was a small community in the earlier years, but over the years where I've been involved with the community center, it has grown so much that today we see a full, vibrant Muslim community from various countries. It's so much variety here, so many diversity here, that you see people from Asia, Africa, Arab countries, from Middle East. They are all together, and we are doing very well. We have developed from very small community into a fairly large community now. Unfortunately, this center was established, but now it has to move because we are having a development area in here, and therefore we have to move from here. The new site, alhamdulillah, is not going to be very far from here, and hopefully it can accommodate, and all our needs will be fulfilled, hopefully, inshallah, in the next day.
Absolutely wonderful being here today as the Mayor of ھیورنگ. We're all one community. The amount of work that the HICC put into our community in the Rmford area is absolutely amazing. The people here are so friendly, so generous. It's always a pleasure to be invited. And when my term ends, I sincerely hope I'll be able to come back as a guest as well sometime in the future. But the people here have made me so welcome. And they do every time I've come here to this particular location. It's wonderful. So all the very best for the future, and I look forward to seeing the mosque built in the next few years. Thank you.
Good deeds. And Eid Mubarak, blessed Eid to your family. This is the reward of those who worked during the entire month of Ramadan. And indeed, there is a famous hadith that Allah Azza wa Jalla, in the day of Eid, He will come to His angels in such a way, in a beautiful way, and will ask angels what my worshippers are asking. They say, oh God, they're asking their rewards. As a worker, in the end of the day, he asks for the reward. So Allah Azza wa Jalla said, Balighu, tell them from me, all of them, that I forgive all of them. We ask Allah Azza wa Jalla to forgive us, we ask Allah Azza wa Jalla to protect us, and we ask Allah Azza wa Jalla, not just in the month of Ramadan, after the month of Ramadan, to get our hearts closer to the masjid. As one of the people who will be in the shade, under the shade of Allah in the day of judgment, when there is no shade, would be the person whose heart was attached to the masjid. I don't want to make it too long, but me as Imam, and the people who pray in first and second row, we miss the people of Ramadan. We miss how masjid used to be fully packed and there were no space. Because if masjid can speak, we would cry. The masjid miss all of these people who made masjid beautier than it is now empty after Ramadan. So don't let it empty, and please come and join us even after Ramadan. Jazakumullah khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.